How to plan a vegan diet for weight loss. A vegan diet only includes plants, such as fruits, veggies, grains, beans, nuts, and seeds, and doesn't include animal products. This diet supports moral and environmental concerns and helps people lose weight by being low in calories. These nutrient-dense foods are good for your health and well-being in general. In today's video, we will discuss how to plan a vegan diet for weight loss, how to create a balanced vegan meal plan, and common pitfalls and how to avoid them. So, stay till the end. But first, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this video the most liked video on the channel ever. Are you on a vegan diet for weight loss? What part of the world are you from? Drop a comment below. What is a vegan diet? If you want to follow a vegan diet, you can't eat any animal foods like meat, cheese, eggs, or honey. It is mostly about grains, beans, nuts, seeds, fruits, and veggies. There are different kinds of vegan meals, such as whole food vegan diet. Some emphasized plant foods are fruits, veggies, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. A raw food vegan diet comprises raw nuts, seeds, fruits, veggies, sprouting grains, and beans. Food cannot be heated above 118 degrees Fahrenheit, 48 degrees Celsius. A high-carb, low-fat vegan diet focuses on eating lots of carbs, such as fruits, veggies, and whole grains, and not too much fat, such as oils, nuts, and seeds. The 10th of October 80 diet. If you follow a raw food diet, you should eat mostly raw fruits, soft veggies, and not too many fattening plants like nuts and bananas. Starch solution. This solution focuses on veggies and fruits along with cooked starches like corn, potatoes, and rice. The science behind vegan diet and weight loss. To lose weight on a vegan diet, it is essential to understand the science behind nutrition, metabolism, and the foods you choose. Here, we'll discuss the science behind why a vegan diet is good for weight loss and how its nutritional parts are essential. How does vegan diet aid in weight loss? Low caloric density. One of the main reasons a vegan diet helps people lose weight is its low calorie intake. In other words, it gives you fewer calories for the same amount of food. Vegan meals are low in calories, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This mix lets you eat satisfying and filling meals with low calories. It also keeps you from overeating and helps you lose weight. High fiber content. Plant-based foods contain a lot of fiber, which is vital for keeping your weight in check. Fiber makes your food bulkier, which makes you feel fuller and lowers the number of calories you eat. It also helps keep blood sugar levels steady and stops rapid hunger attacks. Research on weight loss and the vegan diet. In the past few years, many scientific studies have illuminated the link between a vegan diet and weight loss, giving us useful information about how well veganism works as a weight control plan. A large-scale analysis of systematic reviews and meta-analyses showed that switching to a vegan diet can help most healthy people lose weight, which could be a way to achieve a better weight. With an average loss of about 2.52 kilograms, 5.56 pounds, it shows a noticeable drop in body weight. This study increases the likelihood that a vegan diet can assist people in losing weight in a healthy, lasting way. Benefits of a vegan diet for weight loss. Lower calorie intake. Foods that come from plants usually have fewer calories and more fiber than foods that come from animals. This makes you feel full while eating fewer calories. High fiber content. Fiber-rich foods make you feel full, keep your blood sugar levels in check, and support stomach health and healthy gut bacteria, which are essential for weight management. Nutrient density. A well-planned vegan meal contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that are good for your health and can help you lose weight. Reduced intake of ultra-processed foods. Vegans eat fewer prepared foods with added sugars, bad fats, and empty calories because they focus on whole plant-based foods. They improved metabolic markers. Eating more plants has improved insulin function and lowered oxidative stress, which may help people lose weight. Set your weight loss goals. A guide to effective calorie management. Determine your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and understand maintenance calories. This will help you create a sustainable calorie deficit, leading to weight loss. A calorie deficit of 500 calories daily is recommended for healthy, sustainable weight loss. 100 calories per day will equal a pound of weight loss per week, while 1,000 calories per day for 1.5 pounds per week. Avoid extreme deficits, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, muscle loss, and slower metabolism. Stick to the recommended deficit for sustainable, long-term weight loss. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Creating a balanced vegan meal diet plan. Including a range of nutrient-dense foods in a vegan diet that helps you lose weight is very important. To get you started, here are some vegan meal ideas. Breakfast smoothie bowl with almond milk, spinach, banana, mixed berries, and chia seeds. Toast made from whole grains with avocado and cherry tomato. Mid-morning snack. Apples, oranges, and pears are examples of fresh food. Handful of raw nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts, or peanuts. Lunch. Mixed greens, beans, onion, bell peppers, and a lemon tahini sauce are topped with a quinoa salad. Whole grain bread and lentil soup. Afternoon snack. Fries with hummus and carrot and celery sticks. A lot of trail mix comprises nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Dinner. Tofu that has been stir-fried with broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and brown rice. Salad, avocado, black beans, and corn tortillas on top of black bean tacos. Evening snack. Greek yogurt without milk, banana slices, and maple syrup on top. Track your progress and adjust as needed. To achieve long-term weight loss success, you need to track your intake, assess and measure your weight weekly, and make adjustments if necessary. You can use apps like MyFitnessPal, Chronometer, or Lose It to track your weight. These apps help prevent overeating, identify nutrient gaps, and maintain accountability. It is essential to assess and measure your weight weekly, as weight loss is sometimes linear. If you are not achieving your goal, you must reassess and modify your intake or increase physical activity. Avoid drastic change and stay consistent and flexible to achieve your goals. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them in a vegan diet for weight loss. Some common pitfalls and strategies to avoid when on a vegan diet. Over-reliance on processed vegan foods is high in calories, sodium, and added sugars. Compared to whole foods, they are low in essential nutrients, so avoid them by prioritizing whole foods and making simple meals at home. Protein is crucial for muscle maintenance, satiety, and overall health. Certain nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids can be more complex to obtain from a vegan diet. The inclusion of protein-rich foods and fortified foods and supplements can help meet protein and nutrient needs. Conclusion. People who want to lose weight and get many health benefits at the same time should try a vegan diet. Focusing on nutrient-dense plant-based foods that are low in caloric density and high in fiber can help people feel full without eating too many calories. There is evidence that vegan meals can help people lose weight and improve their digestive health, making them a good choice for long-term health. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.